Imagine biting into a crispy golden brown toast, a perfect blend of juicy shrimp and fresh herbs dancing on your palate. This is shrimp toast, an exquisite delicacy that marries the crunchiness of toast with the succulence of shrimp, all brought to life with a medley of fresh herbs. The magic of this dish lies in its simplicity, but make no mistake, each ingredient plays a crucial role. Freshness is key to unlock the symphony of flavors that is shrimp toast. Get ready to whip up this delicious appetizer in your kitchen. To make this culinary delight, procure the following ingredients. You'll need slices of white bread, fresh shrimp peeled and deveined, a handful of green onions finely chopped, cloves of garlic minced to perfection, 1 egg white, a sprinkling of sesame seeds, and oil for frying. Remember, quantities matter in cooking, so ensure you have the right amount of each ingredient. With these ingredients at hand, you're all set to create a masterpiece. First, we'll prepare the star of the dish, the shrimp paste. Now, imagine a blend of succulent shrimp, aromatic green onions, and pungent garlic. Yes, that's the start of our delightful shrimp paste. We take these 3 ingredients and blend them together. Oh, the fragrance is simply irresistible. Next, we introduce the binder, the egg white. The egg white's job is to hold everything together, forming a smooth and consistent paste. It's a delicate balance, but when done right, it enhances the overall texture of our dish. Take a moment to appreciate the blend of colors and aromas in front of you. The pinkish hue of the shrimp, the green of the onions, and the white of the garlic all combined into a paste that's not just visually appealing, but also a treat for our taste buds. A fragrant and flavorful shrimp paste is ready. This is the heart of our shrimp toast, promising a burst of flavor with every bite. Now, it's time to bring our shrimp toast to life. Start by generously spreading the shrimp paste we just made on one side of your bread slices. Ensure it covers the entire surface, corner to corner. Next, douse the pasted side with a healthy sprinkle of sesame seeds. They'll add a delightful crunch and a nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the shrimp. Once your bread is fully dressed, it's time to heat things up. Pour enough oil into a frying pan to submerge the bread slices halfway. When the oil is hot, but not smoking, gently slip the bread in, shrimp side down. Now here's a safety tip. Use long tongs or a slotted spoon to avoid getting too close to the hot oil. Fry your shrimp toast until it's golden brown, then flip it over to toast the other side. Once both sides are beautifully toasted, your shrimp toast is done. Voila! Your crispy, delicious shrimp toast is ready to be savored. Let's recap the process of making this delightful appetizer. We started with gathering our ingredients, then moved on to preparing the shrimp paste. The next step involved assembling and cooking the shrimp toast. Each stage was straightforward, making this recipe as easy as pie. And the result? A mouth-watering delicacy that tickles the taste buds with its unique blend of flavors. So, what are you waiting for? Transform your kitchen into a gourmet paradise with this scrumptious shrimp toast recipe.